It was a bright, sunny morning, and little Aryan was full of excitement. Today was a very special day. He was going to visit his best friend Zayan's home for the very first time. Aryan wore his favorite red backpack, waved goodbye to his mama, and she smiled warmly. "Have fun, my little explorer." As Aryan reached Zayan's house, something amazing happened. The big front door opened all by itself. And then a soft voice said, "Welcome, Zayan." Aryan gasped. "Who said that?" Zayan laughed and pointed at a small round device on the wall. "That's our smart assistant," he said. "She listens to us." Then Zayan stepped into the living room and said, "Lights on." Soft click, click. The lights turned on instantly. The whole room lit up, like magic. Aryan's eyes went wide. "Whoa, that's so cool," Zayan grinned. "Watch this." He clapped and said, "Play music." Suddenly, fun music started playing all around the room. The boys laughed and danced, twirling, jumping, spinning. After dancing, they tiptoed into the kitchen. Zayan's mom stood near a screen on the wall. She smiled and said, "Show me the recipe." And just like that, the screen lit up with colorful pictures of yummy food. Aryan's mouth dropped open. "Even your kitchen is smart," Zayan giggled. "Everything is smart here." Then, as they sat down to eat, the lights slowly dimmed by themselves, and the room felt warm and calm. Aryan looked around. "Did the lights just change on their own?" Zayan smiled. "Our house knows when it's lunchtime." Then Zayan pointed at the window and said, "Close the curtains." And just like that, the curtains moved on their own and gently closed. Aryan whispered, in awe, "This house really is magic." Later that evening, Aryan ran into his own house, his face glowing with excitement. "Mama, Mama! Zayan's house is magic!" "You just talk and things happen." His mama looked at him, surprised but smiling. That night, Aryan sat beside her on the couch, holding a tablet. On the screen were pictures of smart lights, speakers, and more. Aryan looked up and said with a big grin, "Let's make our home magical too, Mama." Because sometimes, the tiniest spark of magic begins with just one small voice. And just like that, Aryan's journey into the magical world of smart homes had only just begun. Because guess what? Now it's your turn. Yes, your home can be magical too. Imagine lights that turn on with your voice, curtains that close themselves, music that plays when your kids dance, and recipes that appear when you ask for them. It's time to make your home smart and make your kids smile with wonder every single day. Foxomate Robotics and Smart Home Solutions, where happiness meets smart living.